Okay, I'm going to make some handles for my jugs. This is for railroad, and this is called pulling a handle, and I think it's just a little it's an interesting thing to do, and the reason you do it is that it gives the handle strength, and the reason it gives the handle strength is that you're getting the molecules to go all in the same direction. So we're pulling away, and when it looks like the width of a small jug handle, I'm going to whip it off in a fairly unceremonious way, curl it round, and that's it. Okay, so I'm going to chop it off like that. Then, it's the other thing with Jim's good Catholic roots, he loves to offer it up. This is called offering it up, but not to God. Offer it up, decide that's about right, chop it off there, and leave it to dry off a bit so that it doesn't end up in that rather splodgy fashion that it is at the moment. And that's it. Thanks.